Hi, I'm Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. Today we are going to make curd rice with a difference. It's nice and creamy, but it's spicy also with a touch of pomegranate. Andhra style curd rice. Andhra style curd rice. 2 cups of Desi natural dahi, 1 cup cooked rice, quarter cup milk, 1 tablespoon of oil, salt to taste, 1 green chili chopped, half teaspoon dhuli urad dal, which is split skinless black gram, half teaspoon mustard seeds, generous pinch of asafoetida, 10 to 15 curry leaves, and 2 tablespoons of fresh pomegranate pearls. Take cooked rice, make sure it's not hot. Add Desi natural dahi. And add milk to it. Add salt and chopped green chilies. And mix it well. Time to temper this. Heat oil in a pan. Once the oil heats up, add asafoetida, black gram, mustard seeds and curry leaves. Let the mustard seeds pop. Time to add this tempering to rice and dahi mix. Mix it really well. Chill this in refrigerator for about an hour. Serve sprinkled with pomegranate pearls. Andhra style curd rice. Yummy. This is Andhra style curd rice made with Desi natural dahi. Try it.